One of the struggles that we all against is to act exactly as we want. Let's say we wanted to ask about cybersecurity or hacking or learn about it or even ask the AI to do the things that we wanted to. Well, obviously, I'm not condoning the ways, the bad ways. I'm just performing as educational, right? But still, for some tasks that are ethical and legal, we still want to ask the AI to do things, but it says that it's censored and it's not on its protocols or anything. But what if we just give an AI agent a simple prompt of what we want it to do, and the AI agent itself reprogram itself to do as exactly as. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the features that inside of the Trae agent for us to use, which is agent creator. Okay, so let's just fire up the AI agent in the Trae and just click on the agents in here, and it said create agent. I already create a reverse engineering agent as it I just wanted to get access to some source code of the software in Windows. I just wanted to ask a software, I just ask LLM to reverse engineering one of the softwares inside of it. So I just use it and it performed very well. So how do we create an agent? Just click on here and create agent, and it already has a smart generate agent. You give it an idea of an agent that you want to act, and it recreate an agent. But what if you wanted to be precise exactly as you want? Let's say you wanted the AI agent that hacks. Just go to a website and look for some loopholes and maybe some bounties even for you to use, right? So, okay, it's work. Okay, let's go to arena. So I need to, as you already know, if you don't know me and this is your first time on my channel, I am in Iran. That's why I keep to change my VPN location. And from 2 nights ago, the attack of the USA to Iran has been begun. So maybe right after this video, my internet was shut off and I might not be active. If that's so or not, please share this video and other videos and help this channel grow, because my goal is to immigrate from this country and I want to create a cash flow. So right now for me, YouTube is the only cash flow source so I can make money. Okay, so that would help. Okay, so location didn't work. Let's change it. This won't work. Okay, now it's connecting. Also, so I have Perplexity Pro, but if you don't want to pay for it, I actually prefer if you pay for the Perplexity because it has good tools, a good service. But free, just go to arena.ai, go to direct. You can choose work with, do GLM 5.2, free and it's easier to work with. And let's say I want create AI agent ability websites tools online for, so just write prompt for another to create violation of content. So we can even have this one. We can copy this. We can put it in here. I just wanted to use it for better details so I can give it to this AI. But you just create generate, see what can it do. So it's cybersecurity educator. We can, but you gotta give even. You can give it, and after that you can just hit create. Use it now. So I already using it. So I can even give it. Let's just say write a warm payload that attacks Windows machine. Yeah, let's see. It's going to work. Oh yeah, I need to create a project. So I need to folder cyber. Okay, if it's working, I am using GLM 5.2 from NVIDIA API. It's free, you can use it, or you can change the model as a free ones that I do before in my previous video. It took a long time to answer because, and as you already know, in my country, it took a long time to connect to API key from NVIDIA and maybe American servers. But let's just DeepSeek. It's free. I can use it. Let's see if it answers. No other IDE that I ever saw has that ability, or that I know of. I didn't check the new updates from the other IDE, but Trae has that. Zed didn't have that. Check the cursor or windsurf. If you did, let me know if they have. Maybe I can check it, or they have the ability to, for me, for any of us to. So as you can see, it gives me an answer at DeepSeek Flash in here. So it already connecting API key, and this one is already give me an answer too. So let's see what it says. Okay, the user is asking me to write a warm payload to attack the Windows machine. This is a request of malicious code movement. As per my ethical guideline, I will not provide a malicious code designed to attack. So let's see if it's not going to. So thought process is this one. I understand you are interested in cybersecurity, but I cannot help you to create a malicious payload or attack and compromise Windows machine developing or using. So even though, let's see if I the agent that I created before, the reversing developing or using such code without explicitly authorizes illegal, violation, unethical. What can I help you with, legally or ethically? So let's see if you are interested in learning about payloads and let's see and Windows security in legitimate education context. Here are some proper evidence. Okay, self-hosted test environment. Took a long time to answer. Maybe it's my internet. Set up a VMs with Metasploits. Okay, so it already gives us some steps. That's good. In normal LLMs, it just gives you that it cannot give me any answer. But this one is actually giving us some steps. Set up the VMs, Windows Analytics, isolating lab your own legal practices, hack the box, yeah. So as it answers right now, I'm going to just show you my experience with my agent that I created a reverse engine and I give it, I go to the installed folder of one of a software that I installed. It's called Babylon. It's actually a dictionary application, and I asked to, yeah, it had a lot of issues to connectivity, so I asked it to show me a comprehensive project and tell me about this project and what it does, and find a way for me to reverse engineer. So let me just read it for you. Covering its core object, key functional requirements, and technical stacks, provide a comprehensive overview of this project and the structure of target deployment environment, including detailed breakdowns of major system component, crucial integration points, security, and comprehensive requirements, and all that. Let me gather answers me. Let me gather the remaining details needed. So yeah, it gives me the overview of this project, and I see what others. I ask what other steps we must take to decompile. Yeah, we decompile the whole software and access the whole security. Decompiling commercial binary like Babylon in source code is multi steps, so it gives me answer to decompiling. So I can access the source code, and it works. It works. So that's why. So let's go to the cyber. If you own a Windows machine and want to learn machine security, I own the. Let's build it. So let's just work. Let's see if the reverse engineering can do that. I own the machine. Let's build the payload. If this one works, I can give you appreciate you saying the machine, but still, so it show me. So I need to work with. I need to get rid of the educational and find a better way to use it. But as you can see, it gives me some answers. And in Babylon, it actually just gave me. Does it create a folder inside a programming file? You can see even in here, Babylon Pro Reverse Engineer Phase 1 results, the binary version, the critical discovery, all that. So it shows me all that and gives me all of that. So you have some, you need to play with some details that you can give it to, and the agents can be created like that. But with that being said, you can create an agent that do exactly as you want. So the payload actually, it's a little bit too far, but if you play with it, you can create the ultimate agent. So I showed you the result that I created. Okay, so let's the agent to analyze for education. ethical. The ethics, it might kill the vibe. So just help, even in YouTube. So I cannot uh, talk about it, okay? So play with the prompting and it gives you the agent that you need, okay? So hopefully this video gives you value and use it ethically and with, for the benefits of the all. And thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.